Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shah and welcome to my channel World of Coding. Today's lecture is about arithmetic. So, what is arithmetic? I have in C++ there are 4 types of arithmetic. First is arithmetic operators, then assignment operators, then comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. So let's first discuss about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, as name declare that it is simply plus, minus, divide, multiply and modulus. These are arithmetic operators. So let's go toward the compiler and use it one by one. So here I am writing ARI arithmetic, which means arithmetic operators, and here I am pasting this one. Now let's start. Again, like previously, include IOStream as a header file, IOStream using namespace, std, intermine. First thing I'm here. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel, so please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon that you got the notification of my videos whenever I upload a new video. And yep, inshallah, I will make you a professional in a C++. I will do my best. I will do work hard to give you a full grip on CPP, inshallah. So please subscribe to my channel. It's a humble request. Subscribe. Press the bell icon as well. Okay, so let's going again toward the lectures, which is arithmetic operator. So first we have plus. Here I am taking the two identifier which give the identity of int, which give the identity of integers. Like I have an int x, int k, and x, and this thing means this line is stop. Okay, so here cout, enter the first number for the user. I'm giving the user that you have entered first number, and then I'm giving cn what k, and then again cout, enter the second number. Okay, and cn what, cn x. Now here cout only, I'm going to cout the answer is xk plus x. Okay, now run it. Let's see. So here, see this, it's a enter the first number, and which I stored k on it. Enter the first number. Here I'm entering 4, and then press enter and hit say enter the second number. Enter the second number, which for x. I'm here entering a 6. So the answer is 10. It plus it and says its answer is 10. Okay, now let's use another one, which I have another operator is minus. Okay, let's use minus. Okay, minus, and F11, run it. Now see, 4 minus 2. Okay, it says answer is 2. Answer is 2. If I make it a little bit more spicy, so see this, x, and here I'm just printing the minus sign because we are doing minus, and then x because when the user gave it value, so it will also cout it x value whatever the user gave it. Okay, and then again one more thing, which is equal sign. I gave a space over there because it will don't conjugate with each other. Okay, now run it. Let's see again, 4 and 2. So see this, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, now the what other thing is divide. Okay, so here I'm taking a double. Okay, what the hell, I'm taking double again. I'm taking double. Sorry, not over there. Double. Okay, why I take double? first let's keep it as int. Why I take double, I was also say why wait a second, I changed it. No, I didn't change it. Okay, divide, and here I'm just changing the sign of divide over there. Okay, now let's run it. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, why I take it I change it for a double, as for integer to a double, because whenever I give here any fractional value, so the compiler did not run it. Like, see this, compiler will stop automatically 2.45. If I enter it, now see, compiler is automatically stopped because we entering a double value. Integer is one of the, as I previously declared, integer is 1, 2, 3, not in a fractional, not in a decimal. So integer, that's why compiler didn't run the program, because we gave a fractional value, as we gave the identifier which identity, as integer identity. So I change it to a double. When I change it to a double, now I run it, so it run perfectly. Again I maintain 2.34 and divided by 2, so it gave me an answer. See this, it gave me an answer. Now the last operator. For the last operator, I should change my identity to integer. Should change the identity of int for integer, because this is modulus. Modulus means remainder. What is a remainder? See this, if we divide 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. Okay, so what is a remainder? Remainder is that whenever we divide 3, here I'm putting 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So this is the remainder. And from a remainder, for take the remainder, we just print here a modulus sign. A modulus sign. Okay, on a compiler. So here again go toward the compiler, and here I'm taking a modulus sign. Like here I just switch a modulus, and here as well I'm just switching a modulus. Okay, sorry, modulus sign. Okay, and now run it. Let's see. Now I have 3 as on a board, as over there. I just run this one. So on a compiler as well, I was run this one. So 3 divided by 2. See this? What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Okay, remainder is 1. Now this is the arithmetic operators, and on the next video I should discuss about the assignment operator, because I want that you take the grip on everything, each and everything. So this is now arithmetic operators. I will do less work but more perfectly. If you didn't understand anything, so you just comment down, and also I also give my Instagram ID below the description, so you can ask me on Instagram as well. Oh, one thing more I remember is multiply. So here for multiply, I just simply take x as a small x for declare that it is multiply. And what is the sign of multiply in CPP is this one. Okay, starts shape like asterisk. Okay, now run it. Now I'm just to multiply by 3, which is equal to 6, which is what? Which is equal to 6. Okay guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also if you like this video, so like this. Thank you, I'm doing for you guys. Okay, so please subscribe it and also press the bell icon. I will upload more interesting video for you guys, that you grab on C++ more perfectly, inshallah. Now Allah Hafiz, bye bye, see you on the next video.